Making a lot of money online at a young age has a lot of challenges from different kinds of people. Yo, what's up guys, it's Umar and welcome to a brand new video. So if this is your first time on this channel or you haven't subscribed, please kindly click the subscribe button and also click the notification button beside it so you would be notified whenever I drop a new video. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the main topic of the video. Well, I believe it's not longer news that a lot of us know that making so much money online is very possible, but sometimes can be stressful. Well, even with the stress you're facing while making money online, there must be a group of people that always give a negative thought about how you make money, most especially if you're a young person or at a young age. For example, 16, 17, 18, 19, up to maybe 25 years. Yeah, you're still young to some people. Most people will think or say you're too young to make so much money because when they were young or when they were at your age, they couldn't make what you are currently making as a young person. So these are the things that are currently disturbing the young persons making money online out there. So I will talk based on experience or based on what is going on where I live. I live in an environment where there are more than 20 houses with not less than 5 people in each house, and almost every time there are people sitting at the main entrance of the estate. I'm not saying I make a lot of money online, but despite the fact that I make enough money from my YouTube channel that can help me survive and live a humble life, these people always sitting at the entrance of our estate don't really know what is going on in our lives, and they always see you as someone that is very rich and has a lot of money in your bank account, which is totally wrong because we always trying to, protect our privacy and live a humble life. And only few people in my area knows that I have a YouTube channel or I am a YouTuber and also earning money from my YouTube channel. So these people have nothing to do with their lives, and most of them don't even have any job. All they do is to sit beside the main entrance of our estate and discuss stuff that doesn't even concern them, such as talking about everything that is going on within our environment, accusing people of doing illegal stuff online to make money, which sounds so stupid because they are already grown up and have no idea on how people work online to earn money and make a living. And from what I understand, it's like these people don't want to see you succeed in your life. It's like they just want to see you suffering, and they want to see you not to be, not to be able to afford little things for yourself. Well, all I have to say is that no matter what you're doing in this life, a lot of people must talk about it. Even if you decide to protect your privacy without publicly displaying your lifestyle or the amount of money you have, there must be a group of people that will always talk about you. And some people will say good things while others will say bad things about you. But that's just life. No matter what you're going through or no matter what you do, people will always find something to say about you, whether good or bad. Things are just hard, but you cannot come out and say to everyone. And I believe as someone who's making money online, if nobody has ever said you are, scamming other people online to make money, or you're doing illegal stuff to make money online, then I believe you are definitely not making money online, most especially if you are not working for the government or working in a physical company that maybe people will see you going to work at maybe 9 a.m. coming back by 5 p.m. I think once you are making money online, people will start thinking negatively about you and saying all sort of thinks by calling you a scammer or something like that. So all I have to say as a young person, the advice that I will always give out to anyone facing these kinds of challenges is that always try not to worry yourself about what other people will say about you, as long as you know how legit and legal your source of income is. Just be yourself and God will surely see you through. Thank you for watching. Peace.